Good morning, friends. Nagendra Bharathi. A sample poem from my ebook, Secrets of Nature. Nagendra Bharathi Social Poems Collection 8. Colors of Tears. Tears display the contextual colors. Yellow is blooming in joyful tears. Purple is glooming in sorrowful tears. White is pleasing in peaceful tears. Black is freezing in fearful tears. Tears display the contextual colors. If you want to read my poems, you can go to Amazon site and type Nagendra Bharathi, Nagendra and get my social poems and start reading, enjoying. All the best. Thank you. Bye.